Правда, взял сторону дронов-убиец, и они единственные, кто потерял из-за них семью.
Fight me! Whoever started this wants us to fight. I'm not dealing with anything well, but I'm done dealing with everything alone. We move forward together or not at all.
Как мило. Но мне твоя помощь не нужна!
Is this...
Ew. You look like garbage.
You freaking traitor!
As if you weren't using me to try and kill everyone, Miss Petty. Where does this freaking go?
Thank you, Lizzie!
Shut up, loser.
Quit saving me! Seriously, don't do that again.
Uzi.
Okay, your turn!
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power! Don't try it!
V, we needed her for answer! Lucky for you, we're not done yet!